Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the A3 DTF printer, a game changer for anyone looking to create custom designs on various garments. This incredible machine is not only easy to use, but also offers a cost-effective solution for printing custom designs on a transfer film, which can then be heat-pressed onto various garments such as cotton and polyester. Suitable for beginners and professionals alike, it produces vivid, long-lasting results. I've had the chance to get hands-on with this printer, and I must say, the quality of the prints is impressive, and the ease of use is unparalleled. One of the key features that really caught my attention is the white ink circulation and automatic cleaning system. This integrated stirring, circulation, and filtration system maintains consistent ink flow, reduces clogging, and extends printhead life. But what's even more impressive is the one-touch automatic cleaning feature. Simply press and hold the middle button for 5 seconds to activate. This easy maintenance helps lower operating costs and avoids the need for frequent printhead replacement. I've found that this feature alone saves a significant amount of time and hassle, making it a must-have for anyone serious about custom printing. Another feature that stands out is the smart printhead protection. The printhead includes a smart flash spray system that activates every 10 prints to prevent clogging and color mixing. This innovation can extend printhead service life by up to 6 months, maintains high-quality printing within a 3 cm range, and reduces the frequency of replacement due to color cross-contamination. As someone who's worked with printers before, I can attest to the frustration of dealing with clogged printheads and the cost of replacing them. This feature is a total game changer, and I'm excited to see how it performs in the long run. The complete package and multi-fabric application is another aspect that makes this printer a standout. The bundle includes the L1390 A3 DTF printer, an A3 curing oven, CMYKW inks, A3 transfer film, and DTF powder. This comprehensive package has everything you need to get started with custom printing, and the compatibility with various fabrics such as cotton, polyester, leather, denim, and more makes it ideal for customizing t-shirts, hats, bags, shoes, and other textiles. I've experimented with printing on different fabrics, and the results are stunning. The colors are vibrant, and the designs are crisp and clear. As I continue to explore the capabilities of the A3 DTF printer, I'm impressed by the attention to detail and the focus on user experience. The motherboard safety features, such as the built-in protection mechanism that prevents motherboard damage in case of printhead failure, give me peace of mind knowing that my investment is secure. The 6-month printhead coverage and 1-year support for other accessories, plus 24/7 customer service, ensure that I can focus on creating without worrying about technical issues. In conclusion, the A3 DTF printer is an incredible piece of technology that has the potential to revolutionize the world of custom printing. With its ease of use, impressive print quality, and innovative features, it's a must-have for anyone looking to create custom designs on various garments. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing the A3 DTF printer, find the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your custom printing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.